The cryptocurrency market is expanding more quickly than anyone could have predicted. According to new data, if the sector follows the internet's adoption curve, it could add more than 1 billion users by 2025. These users will have a variety of ways to exchange their preferred digital assets. Review of Nomiswap for crypto. Today we will give you a Nomiswap review, top decentralized exchange in crypto. If you want to know completely about it, so just subscribe to our channel and like this video. We really appreciate it. Let's get into it. Due to its numerous advantages over their centralized counterparts, most users might be persuaded to utilize a decentralized exchange (DX) platform. In that regard, Nomiswap appears prepared to take the lead and satisfy the growing demand for effective and affordable trading platforms in the cryptocurrency market. The Binance Smart Chain (BSC), one of the wealthiest ecosystems for decentralized finances (DeFi) in the market, served as the platform for the introduction of this DEX. Due to its low fees and extensive functionality, Nomiswap has already garnered a lot of interest from cryptocurrency fans. By utilizing the platform's staking and farming functionalities, users can trade tokens compliant with the BEP20 standard without paying a fee. The Nominex ecosystem is natively integrated with Nomiswap. The fact that this cryptocurrency trading platform is the authorized broker for the leading cryptocurrency exchange Binance lends Nominex additional authority. In other words, users can gain from using the decentralized Nomiswap platform or switching to the centralized Nominex trading platforms without losing their ability to operate at a low cost or their chances to collect prizes and other incentives. This hybrid model, which gives users more options while maintaining its decentralized characteristics, is among the first and most innovative in the industry. The group behind this project is dedicated to giving individuals access to a transparent, decentralized, and user-friendly trading platform, according to their official website. Nomiswap's integration with the Nominex Certify ecosystem allows it to run on a 0% fee basis while offering users a distinctive range of products. The DEX provides liquidity, increases these benefits as users level up their farming/staking tier, and offers users the possibility to gain cashback on their trading expenses. If traders in Referral stake or offer liquidity for a token, engage in the platform's launch pools, or just swap tokens, Nomiswap will reward them. A user will have the chance to profit from the group of people they onboard as well as for each of their individual activity thanks to the platform's innovative binary referral program. Binary tree is the name of the reward structure made up of trading and farming rewards that can be separated further. Own referral trading and farming rewards. A user is rewarded when their referrals trade or farm on Nomiswap or when they pay referral fees. According to the image below, the referral trading benefits give users up to 20% of the total fees paid by referrals, while the referral farming rewards give users up to 10% of the total farm tokens on Nomiswap. As the user advances in level, the benefits grow. You seem to be rather interested in today's subject. Please share this video with your friends and family. Let's get up where we left off. Rewards for team farming. As previously noted, these prizes provide users a portion of the tokens harvested on Nomiswap for their strong and weak teams. The side that has farmed less tokens over the course of a day is the weak team. According to Nomiswap's official website, the percentage of compensation from these referrals depends on your own farming level. Rewarding team trading. Users are rewarded with a portion of the trading costs that are paid by their teams. As can be seen in the table below, these rewards rise by up to 10% in accordance with the user's progress in farming or the value they add to liquidity and launch pools. Users are compensated by the reward system for boarding their loved ones, social networks, or cryptocurrency communities. A user will receive greater incentives for a higher transaction, trading volume, farming deposit, and referrals because the benefits are directly correlated to the size of the transaction and farming deposit. The level of the user increases together with the amount of transactions and farming deposits, the size of the individual and team prizes, and the amount of cashback. Therefore, a single user can earn these benefits by simply using the referral programs offered by Nominex and Nomiswap and being active on these sites. As previously indicated, each of these benefits rises as the user progresses up their tiers. Additionally, DX's referral program, with its useful farming tool, can increase the income generated from trading and supplying liquidity in this ecosystem. In contrast to competing platforms, a user can earn benefits for referring users who didn't register on the DEX using their links. The amount of NMX farmed, or the sum of NMX farmed by a group of users, is the only limit on Nomiswap's referral benefits in this regard. This methodology, its ability to be paired with other Nomiswap features, and its hybrid operational approach made this DEX the best option for frequent cryptocurrency traders. You receive rewards for pushing people to join the crypto revolution, as well as for taking positions or selling digital assets. The aforementioned has resulted in enormous growth for Nomiswap, the top project on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC. According to data from DeFi Llama, this DEX's total value locked, TVL, has been steadily rising as more people join the platform and adoption rates rise. The project's staff added the following to their list of ultimate goals for Nomiswap. The goal of Nomiswap is to establish standards for DEX systems. We aspire to assume the position of market leading DEX platform for token swaps. Because it is user-friendly, Nomiswap's trading platform excels over rivals. On the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, ecosystem, traders have the option of purchasing or selling any token. The project staff will keep including trading pairs and stake incentives. Traders can purchase synthetic tokens that run on Nomiswap in addition to popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Investors merely need to link their wallets, choose a cryptocurrency, and launch an operation to begin making money. Additionally, Nomiswap gives consumers the option to alter trade factors like transaction speed and swap slippage rate in order to personalize their experience. Even a deadline for when the transaction needs to be finished can be specified by users. Staking their revenues and utilizing special liquidity pools will allow users to improve their rewards and obtain bonuses. Farmers who choose to keep their tokens on the platform with Nomiswap receive a special bonus in addition to the other prizes. A farmer's bonus increases the longer they remain in the pool. Each pool member receives NMX tokens as part of the incentives from this holder bonus, in addition to their portion of the farming rewards. As a result, Nomiswap has created another distinctive feature that enables customers to compound their advantages. The platform calculates the holder bonus using an increasing coefficient. This coefficient increases over the course of a year when profitability exceeds 10 times the initial bonus, starting at a week at 20%, 2 weeks at 50%, and a month at 100%. The bonus will start over if a user removes their staked tokens. While offering some of the best annual percentage returns, APR, in the sector, far more than other DEX in the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, ecosystem, such as market leader PancakeSwap, these features offer traders security against temporary loss. Time to put this video to end. But don't worry, we will return soon. Please share in the comments what your favorite part was. Have a wonderful day.